going on, everyone? We're going to be working on the go-kart today. Gonna do a little bit of sanding, paint it. Last time you seen us, we had cut the frame down. We got a couple other things done since then. I'll show you. We replaced all the bolts because they were rusty, pretty bad shape. But we put these two bars here. We're going to attach a seat there. Let me grab that. We had taken some plywood and some 1-inch foam and cut it down. It's going to be our seat, but we're going to cover it or wrap it with some vinyl. But it'll sit in there and looks a little bit something like that when it's done. We're going to wheel this outside to sand it. We're going to take this back inside, get the air compressor, try to get all the dust off, wipe it down, and I think we're going to be ready to paint. We've got a black truck bed coating that we're going to try out. Hopefully it'll be durable. Okay. There it goes. While we wait for the paint to dry, I'm going to attach this foam to this plywood with the seat bottom. That'll make wrapping it with the vinyl a whole lot easier. Started making seat cover for this. Got some upholstery nails and just kind of wrapped it, tacking it down. Alright, that should do it. Not the prettiest on the back side, but the top doesn't look too bad. What I'm going to do is take these 1-inch bars and strap them down, and then this will bolt to the frame. And I got some pipe hanging strip here. I'm going to just use that and strap it down. Alright, let's go try it on. still have to bolt that from the bottom, but looks good to me. I went ahead and finished up that other seat, or the seat back anyway. Kind of attached it the same way. And I touched up the paint and put it all together. It's looking pretty good. Next step is going to be, got to order some tires and the motor and put that all together, and we should be good to go. But till then, we will see you next time. Have a good night.